Welcome to the Matrix University Virtual Reality Campus. I am your host and founder, Jason E. Williams. Right here, we are in one of our science and anatomy modules to where we can learn about muscular, skeletal, every aspect of the human body right here in virtual reality time, along with AI assistance. So right here you see instructions, AI assistance. Place an object inside of the scanning ring in front of Wendy. She will tell you all about it. You can also speak to Wendy directly, stand inside of the detection radius, and make
I'm
eye
here to
contact.
assist with questions related to biology, chemistry, anatomy, and physics, Dr. Williams. Could you please focus on one of these areas? Let me know how I can assist you in these fields.
So right there, she was picking up what I was saying. So that's one of our AI experiences that families, organizations, and students and teachers, of course, can use to teach about the human anatomy. And right here, you can, as you can see, goggle. You see how each skeleton changes? We'll press there. Are the muscular, are the skeleton. So right there, and we would grab an object. So let's say the nose.
The orbicularis oris is a complex muscle in the face that encircles the mouth. It functions primarily in the movement of the lips, enabling actions such as puckering, compressing, and closing the mouth. This muscle plays an essential role in speech articulation and expressions. Source Moore KL, Daly AF, and Aguirre AMR, 2014. Clinically Oriented Anatomy.
So right there in real time, the AI assistant gives you a breakdown of the virtual reality object, but also gives you a source for professors, teachers, educators, and students to look up and fact check. So right here, educators, students can come in and it's like in a video game to where you can come in multiplayer and have lesson plans, create curriculums, all based off of the human anatomy. How fun. Bringing 21st century technology straight into virtual reality. So let's see what else we can pick. So right there, when we select certain modules, it focuses on certain elements or organs, as we would say. So let's take this out and see what our AI assistant says while we look around.
Please return to topics related to biology, chemistry, anatomy, or physics, Dr. Williams. I'm here to assist you in those subject areas.
What are the organs that I placed in front of you, Wendy?
Please place objects related to sciences such as biology, chemistry, anatomy, or physics in the scanning area, Dr. Williams. I'm equipped to provide information on those topics. The small intestine is a crucial part of the digestive system, responsible for nutrient absorption. It consists of three parts: the duodenum, jejunum, and ileum. The surface is lined with villi and microvilli to increase the area for absorption. Source: Guyton AC and Hall J.E., 2020. Textbook of Medical Physiology.
So right there is a perfect example. And let's give one more. So what happens when we take the chest off? So right here, you see a live dissection in virtual reality. So let's go over here.
The left lung is one of the two lungs and is slightly smaller than the right lung to accommodate the heart. It consists of two lobes, the superior and inferior lobes, separated by the oblique fissure. The left lung also features the cardiac notch, a concave space to fit the heart. Source: Tortora, G.J. and Derrickson B., 2017. Principles of Anatomy and Physiology.
And let's get one more object while we're at it. Let's see. So we grab it out. I believe this is the skull.
The epicranial aponeurosis, also known as the gallia aponeurotica, is a tough fibrous layer of tissue that covers the upper part of the skull. It connects the frontalis and occipitalis muscles, facilitating scalp movement. This aponeurosis acts as a protective barrier over the cranial cavity. Source: Moore, K.L. Daly A.F. and Agur A.M.R., 2014. Clinically Oriented Anatomy.
So right here, anatomy and physiology in real time, in virtual reality. So imagine the lesson plans that you as an educator can create right here in real time. And imagine all the learning that students around the world now will have a chance at equity in education in virtual reality. We also need grants and funding for more technology, more headsets, more advertising, and so we can have our brick and mortar of the Matrix University. So kids from our areas and around the world have an opportunity at 21st century technology. Once again, I am Jason E. Williams, founder of the Matrix University, and we're out. What is the importance of having eyes?
The human eye is a complex organ responsible for vision, consisting of multiple components including the cornea, lens, retina, and optic nerve. Light enters through the cornea and lens, focusing onto the retina, where photoreceptor cells convert it into neural signals. These signals are transmitted to the brain via the optic nerve for visual processing. Source: Kansky, J.J., and Bowling B., 2015. Clinical Ophthalmology, a Systematic Approach.
And right there, you can break down the eye in real time. So here's another example of what we can do at the Matrix University. See you soon. Whoa!